UPS has a solid grip on sorting automation. It's been working on it here at its Worlport facility in Louisville, Kentucky since 2002. Sam Johnson, District Plant Engineering Manager for Next Day Air here, explains that Worlport is an all-points facility that gets packages from all over the country.
The Worlport facility is just like a port to the world, so we get packages in from all over the country. A package comes in on the aircraft, it is unloaded, the package is placed on an unload lane. From that point, automation knows exactly where the package needs to go throughout my entire conveyor network. It is touched one more time, and that's when it's destined to its outbound destination, in which it is sorted properly, loaded into a container, and then from that point, that container is loaded into an aircraft, and that aircraft leaves so that we can make deliveries of next day air packages across the world.
UPS developed what it calls a high-level control system with a vendor in 2000. HLCS is the brain of Worlport, taking information from hundreds of cameras and scanners and determining where each package needs to go. HLCS works like a mapping app, directing each package to the low-level controls. It identifies every turn the package must take to reach its ultimate destination in the building. Worlport processes more than 50 million database transactions per hour. UPS uses technology from Vonderland Industries for the conveyor system and Vitronic and AccuSort technology for the camera tunnels. Johnson recalls the days before sorting automation.
Just imagine trying to process 1 million packages a night, and the possibility of those packages touching between 2, 3, maybe 4 hands. So without automation, there was employees who had to know hundreds, if not a little over 1,000 zip code states and cities to properly sort a package. And when you have that, there are some times where defects may occur where a person can sort a package to an area where it is not supposed to go.
That's 4 people touching each package, and that's not good.
The benefit of fewer people touching the packages in an automated building is that you have fewer opportunities for a defect to occur. So automation eliminates handles, thus reduce the number of defects that we could potentially have in the system.
Those employees trying to memorize hundreds or thousands of zip codes? Some did it well, some not. And packages had no data links. Imagine that. In a 5.2 million square foot building that processes about 1.2 million packages a night. At Christmas time, it processes more than 4 million packages every 24 hours.
Posi sorter is one of our sort devices. It's a puck sorter. It is a device that has packages that go across it, and at the given time where a package is supposed to be diverted, a package goes down a chute or a slide to an aircraft container position to be loaded. So every package in our facility that is unloaded goes to my primary area, and then from that primary area it is sorted to an outbound area. We have Posi sorters in both our primaries and our outbounds.
UPS uses something called a maxi code on the label to make it all possible. The company found that it needed to invent the code itself 25 years ago. UPS also put together a telecode group made up of humans that takes care of problem packages.
And it makes the label smart to go through Worlport. Nobody has to touch it.
We have been working with automation here in Louisville for 14 years, so we have learned a great deal about the flexibilities of automation and what automation can do for us. So right now, on the domestic ground side, we're automating more ground facilities. The organization has announced that we have automation projects going on right now in Centennial, which is not too far from here in Louisville, Kentucky, and Jacksonville, Florida. We also have one going on in Columbus, Ohio, and another large automated facility that's going to be constructed in the Atlanta area. So we will continue to automate our facilities, seeing the benefit that automation gives us.